Hey guys, there is one thing that I want to mention. Now you can see the user John is logged in, and if I just go to localhost 8000 and visit login, and still I can access the login page. Okay, that's not good. So if I just go to my text editor and then open up my admin user controller, and then simply I need to add a method here, public function the constructor, and then we will call the middleware here, and the name of the middleware would be something like auth admin, right? Sorry, instead of we'll use guest here. Okay, we'll use guest middleware admin, so it will protect all the methods here and then redirect back us to, if you just check it real quick, just close this and reload the page. Now you can see it's trying to redirect us to home page. That's not available. So let's go ahead and fix this. So if I just open up my file, if I just go to app http middleware and then redirect if authenticated, right? If I just open this and then scroll down, and this is the file where we have to work. So I want to tell the middleware, basically this is the real use of middleware. As I told you, a middleware is a layer. So before going to move anywhere, first let's come to this middleware, right? And if I want to tell that, let's just use the switch case and then use guard, and we'll say if the case is admin, for example, and then if auth guard check, and of course we'll use this, right? And then break this. Okay, now in the case of admin, just redirect back us to admin/dashboard, any page you want to, but in my case I'll simply redirect this to admin and then break it. And in the default case, for example, we will create the front end part. For front end part, again check this and then of course break it, and then for front end case just redirect it to, might be for user profile page that we'll create in our front end section. Okay, so if I just go and reload the page and first of all open my admin/login, and you can see it's redirecting us to admin page. If you're trying to move it to, okay. And for example, if you just go to logout, now you can see this method is not working. The reason is, if I just open up my admin user controller, the problem is, I'm telling the controller, hey, just go and protect all the methods inside this controller, just apply this middleware to all of these methods. So if you just scroll down, the logout method is also included here. So what we want to say, we simply add accept method here and then say, hey, just let the logout and apply this middleware to all the methods. Just do not apply it on logout, right? So if you just save and reload the page, and if I just again come to logout the page, and there we go. Nice and simple, right?